Hi everybody, it's Jen, your favorite Clinique consultant, and I am hanging out on the beautiful beach in Hawaii, in Oahu, and I am bringing you guys some beauty on the beach. And you guys, this is in public, so screaming is going to happen. As you can see, there's kids behind me, so we're just gonna roll with what we get. Sounds good? Alright, so I thought about all the cool things I could show you guys on the beach and all the different tutorials, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you guys my must-have makeup tutorial for when you're going to the beach. Are you ready? Because I need you guys to like really pay attention, because there's a lot of steps involved, and I really want you guys to really get it all. This is my makeup tutorial. First, I go to the beach with my amazing floppy hat and my sunglasses and a cute bathing suit. Then I use my favorite makeup removers, take the day off wipes, one wipe for my whole face, take off all of your makeup. There's nothing worse than being that girl at the beach or at the pool who's got mascara dripping all over the place, or who won't go in the water because she's afraid of the mascara. That is where you're gonna lose your confidence. So take it off. Embrace your natural beauty, because you guys, you're at the beach and it is the time to really just love on life and love on yourself. So this is my makeup tutorial. I take it all off. There's no big secret. And the last piece of it is you need to make sure you're getting some sunscreen. So I am using my Clinique SPF 30 mineral sunscreen, and this does need to be shook just a little bit. And the benefit to this, besides being the typical Clinique, fragrance-free, allergy tested, all of that, is this is a mineral sunscreen. So this will help you to fight those pesky UVA and UVB rays. And the UVA rays are your aging rays. So those are the rays that do the most damage, because they give you all your wrinkles prematurely, your sun damage, all of that. But the B rays are the ones you feel. So those are the ones that cause the burning in your skin. So this mineral sunscreen will help to minimize that. Plus, ooh, wind is going crazy. Plus, because it's mineral, it doesn't feel thick and heavy like a zinc oxide does on your face. It actually feels super light and fresh, and you're not going to get any irritation, because I know some people do get some irritation from sunscreen. The way this is formulated, you are not going to get any irritation. So that's it, you guys. It's an easy two-stepper. Remove your makeup. Don't be that girl. Get your sunscreen on, and if you really have to have something, a little bit of pop splash makes you feel super pretty. Alright, that is it, you guys. It has been so much fun, but it's time for me to go out onto the water. So I will see you guys later, next time on Beauty and the Beach. Bye!